Oil's down like 7%. Oil down a lot today. Stocks, meantime, ended the day higher. Investors seem to be making this bet that the worst in the Middle East is now in the rearview mirror. So Dan Ives joins, Managing Director, Senior Equity Analyst, Wedbush Securities. Talk to you about tech usually, and maybe I'll squeeze one in tech specific, but this is kind of a macro global question as we look at things, Dan, right? So is that the bet today? And it seemed to be a bet that was made even before we knew all the information that we know now. For example, that Iran, pretty much telegraphed this retaliatory attack.
Yeah, I mean, we talk about it, Saturday night and Sunday. I mean, the Black Swan event is removed. I mean, a weakened Iran, no nuclear, that's bullish for the market. I get, it's going to take time for it to settle, and there could still, be some nervousness. But I think that's the market's view, is that now that a weakened Iran with no nuclear, it's bullish in terms of for the region, especially when you think about Saudi, UAE, and really the adoption of AI and everything we're seeing there.
Interesting, yeah. That was a big thing on Trump's trip over there, right, when he was talking about all of that stuff. But, investors are interesting because you have to work ahead. That's the whole game. You're trying to work ahead, and your forward-looking mechanism in and of yourselves when you're making these bets in markets. So the idea that, what you just said is not anything where our political conversations are. In other words, we're not at that point where we're like, oh, it's all over and done with. But you're kind of making the bet that we will get there.
I think because market is forward-looking. The market basically views this. It's a weakened Iran, no nuclear,
right,
and it's isolated, and they're isolated, and that's actually bullish. Just for, I think just in terms of the region.
Right, for the other countries, like Saudi Arabia, you're referring to those types of countries, they're in better shape now business-wise.
Israel, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Dubai. And I think that's the view, is that when you have a weakened Iran with no nuclear, okay, it's going to take time for this to settle, but the market views it's isolated. And that's why stocks are up, and that's why oil's down, even though sometimes the knee-jerk reaction is, sort of more of a white knuckle moment. I think the market views it as a relief.
Because people were scared over the weekend they would close the Strait of Hormuz, but now it doesn't seem like anyone's thinking they'll really do that as much.
Exactly. Right. And I think even when that came out, I think if you looked at the reaction, market's like, okay, I'll play that game of poker and I'll take the opposite side.
Right, well, I'll call your bluff on that. Yeah, right. I will squeeze in one tech-related question, so off the subject of what we're having now, but before you go, I thought of you because I had an interview with Donald Trump Jr., on the show we aired last week, and it was about a lot of things. But he and his brother are putting out this phone eventually, and they said it's going to be made in the U.S., for $500. I said, well, we had a guy on the show said you made an iPhone in the U.S. would be $3,500, and he kind of talked around it. But is it possible to make a cell phone, unless it's a piece of junk in the United States, for $500?
I mean, I'm playing in the NBA, right? Look, just the reality is that making phones in the U.S., it's a fairy tale, right? Just given the price points at scale. Could they make a few hundred, 1,000 or 2 and probably lose money? Yeah, but look, that's why Apple, Samsung, and others will never make phones in the U.S. just given the cost and labor.
Well, the NBA careers, it's a possibility for you.
You never know.
The turnaround jumper,
never know.
And I see a good handle. That's a good, yeah. But that's the thing. That's and at scale, key point, which Apple figured out years and years ago. All right, Dan, good to see you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.